Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to install Hyperterminal on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Basically what Hyperterminal is another way of using a virtual machine without having to use the default Windows Hyper-V module. Basically how you download it is you go to hyper.is, then you're going to go select your Windows option, so 3.4.1, that is the newest one, or you can just press right there. And then you're just gonna wait for the setup to finish. Okay, so once the setup is done installing, you're just gonna press on it and open it. So once it's open, you're basically gonna be asked where to download the specific applications. So I'm just gonna choose right there, press install, and it will automatically install for me. But I already have it installed, so I'm not gonna do it twice. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and that is basically how you install Hyperterminal. Goodbye.